How to schedule Instagram posts. We have to have this conversation, kids.
Do we?
Yes, we do. Instagram content and Instagram algorithm. When they get married, they have a baby. And it's called Instagram success. To get Instagram success, you have to marry content and the Instagram algorithm. Don't they look good together? But I keep missing my posts. I knew I had to post at 9 a.m. or at 5 p.m. when everybody's out of work. But then a friend called me and I forgot. Or you're one of those people who does things and analyzes things a little more in depth. You check your Instagram insights and you saw the best time for you to post, or you did some A/B testing with different time zones and you saw when your followers are most active and most likely to engage with your content. So you know the time. But that time is the time when you're sleeping or when you're doing something very important, like watching my videos, subscribing to this channel, which by the way you shouldn't worry about because it's always a good time to do that. Will you miss the ultimate chance for Instagram success by posting at the right time? And by doing that, you will fail into the misery of having low followers, aka your life is ruined, aka it has no meaning. No, do not panic yet. There's a bunch of options. If you do not like money and like to spend money, you can choose one of the best options out there, which is called Later. If up to 30 posts, it's free per month. After that, you need to pay. As you can see here on the dashboard, I'm using it for some of my clients, and it's really important, especially if you're running an agency, to have a schedule, because how can you plan the hashtag, the caption, the location, the timing, which is different for each of your clients. Some of it is when you're asleep. You cannot do it without an Instagram software that will help you schedule your Instagram posts. So I personally like to use Later right now. It's pretty simple to do. As you can see on the dashboard, you have a place where you add all your Instagram photos, and what I like is you can write down some notes, some captions and the hashtags, and then when you want, you just drag them to the time where you want to post. When you're registering your account, you register it with your time zone. So if you know when your followers are most active, you post them. If you do not know when they're active, but you know from which country they are, right now I can tell you when they wake up or after they finish work. And then you can check their time zone at 9, at 5 or at 6 p.m. what that time in their time zone, in their country, converts into your time or your time zone, and post them with a scheduler. Ha! It's useful. To use Instagram software that will help you schedule your post, you need to have two things: an Instagram page and a Facebook account, a Facebook business page account. Otherwise, it won't work. You connect your Instagram account and it will just alert you when you should post. But to actually post on your behalf, you have to also link the Facebook page that is a business page and is authorized to use your Instagram account. As you know from one of my other videos, Instagram was bought by Facebook a while ago, as you can see in the cards above. So, if you're the second type of human who does not hate money and does not want to spend any money, you can use Buffer, which has a lot of free features, even above 30 posts, at least last time I checked, and it basically does the same thing. And again, you need to have the Instagram page and the Facebook business page connected to it, not to your personal account, to a business page made for it. You can see Buffer's dashboard here. A good thing is that you can also see your past posts easier. I think, in my opinion, Later is more user-friendly, but then again, it's your choice. You have more than one option, and if you want to know more about one of those softwares, you should DM me on Instagram, and you can see it right here, and I'll try to help you out for free, or you can comment in the comment section down below on this YouTube video. It was my pleasure helping you guys out today, and if you're interested in e-commerce, social media marketing, growing your Instagram account, YouTube SEO, or on-page SEO for websites and off-page, you should consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Why would you not do that? Just think for a second. No, really, think for a second. It's free. And when was the last time someone gave you something for free? Huh? Can you answer that? Let's not make it your last time. For example, this video might be over, and of course, this saddens me, but there's a bunch of videos you can watch at the end of this one, like this one. See how I did that? Or this one. It was chosen by the YouTube algorithm. And if my YouTube content marries the YouTube algorithm, I'ma get that baby YouTube success.